Quick, count the number of words Jenny uses. You're probably wondering, is she just speaking really fast or is that a really long word? Which brings us to the next question of, what's the longest word in K-pop? And is that word even a Korean word? How do you even measure Korean words? Do you use letters or do you use characters? No one knows yet, but today we're gonna find out. According to Wolfram Alpha, the average English word is about 5 letters long, but in K-pop we find that the average English word is only 3.5 letters long. Wait a second, what's that over there? Zoom? Enhance? Enhance? Yes. Enhance one more time, yeah, right there. We seem to have some words that are 13 letters long. What English word could possibly be that long? Well, there are actually 4 English words that are that long, and they are the longest words in K-pop. Well, English words, that is. Alright, the first word and the hardest word that we're gonna see is by a foreign-born Korean man, or idol. That sounds weird. But an idol named Peniel from the group B2B. And the word he uses is acquaintances. And I'll be honest, I had no idea how to spell that word. It is so freaking hard. It took me about 5 times to I still can't even spell it, I'll be honest. That word's too hard. But good for him using that difficult word. You might be saying, how stereotypical. A foreign-born Korean using long English words? Well, I'll have you know the second longest word that we're gonna see is stereotypical. It's also 13 letters, and it's also used by a foreign-born Korean. This one happens to be SNSD Jessica. Alright, the next 2 words are by native Koreans, so give them credit for using and learning such difficult English. The first one is collaboration by Vix's Ravi. And the next long 13-letter word is brainstorming by Infinity's Dongwoo. English is easy enough, but what about Korean? So in English we have letters, and letters make up a word. We know this, right? The word right has 5 letters. But in Korean, it's a little bit different. Letters make up characters, and then characters make up words. For example, the word for I love you, which is saranghae, has 3 characters, but it's composed of 7 letters. And the word for I hate you is 싫어해, and it has 3 characters with 8 letters. So, how can we go about measuring the longest the longest Korean word in K-pop? For starters, the average Korean word, in K-pop at least, has 2.3 characters, and about 7 letters on average. Alright, it's time to reveal the longest Korean word in K-pop, and it is a total of 9 characters and 21 letters. The word is 발주노 초파란... no, it's not. It's 발주... I can't even say it. 발주노 초파란 보라색. 발주노 초파란 보라색. So that word actually took me a while to say, and the thing is, it's not actually a real word. It's kind of a lot of colors combined into one word. So, for example, the first character is 발, and it's actually shortened from the word 빨간색, which means red. And then next we have 주 from 주황색, which means orange. So they're kind of shortening all the words and putting them together and making one long word. So it means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. And the idol who sings this long word is none other than the handsome, lovely Unu from Astro. So Unu gets the prize for longest word in K-pop, but it wasn't really a real Korean word. It was kind of like a lot of colors combined into one word. So we're going to take a look at the 8-character Korean words in K-pop, and those are the longest ones. Alright, Twice fans, this next word's for you, and it's from Momo. It's 8 characters and 19 letters, and the word is 어리둥절하겠지만. And it means like, I might seem confused or puzzled, but... So the original word is actually 어리둥절하다, and that means to be confused or puzzled. Now I want to give a shout out to BTS, because they use a lot of 8-character words. In fact, these next 3 words are all from BTS, okay? We have 어중이 더중이 더라. Man, I'm definitely saying this wrong. 쓰레기 봉투 가지도. That word's actually like really funny. It's like you're like it's like including a trash bag. That's what the word means. Like it's also including a trash bag. I don't know. I'm gonna look up the lyrics later, but that's a really funny word. And then another BTS word is Kanadara Mabasa, which is like the Korean alphabet. So I don't know if that's a real word, but I thought I'd throw that in there. And next we have Big Bang, and they say 돌아버리겠으니까, and that means like to go nuts or like go insane, you know, go crazy, man. Alright, and now time for the longest Korean word with the most amount of letters, and this one has 8 characters and 21 letters, so it's as long as the one that we saw Unu say earlier. And this word is from SNSD Suyoung, and the word is 안절부절 못하겠지. And 안절부절 못하다 means to be fidgety or like restless or a little bit nervous. 빨주노초 파란 보란색. No, that's still wrong. 빨주노초 파란 보라색.